Tibos and Zamo did not return from Namibia. It seems like Braboke has kidnapped them. Now the parents are at the police station reporting the case. All this happened when Lizzie just found out that she's pregnant and couldn't wait to tell Zamogutle. Pete is disturbed that his mom is no longer living with them. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. So Maggie came to fetch Upiti to take him to school, and continues to give Mapiti a cold shoulder and just being sarcastic about Rati behaving the way she does because she misses her dad and brother. And she's just so excited about fetching Zamagutle from the airport. But Pete is like, no, it's not a big deal. I've been to the airport before. But now Pete said that his mom has to leave, saying, Hurry, when I come back from school, I won't find you here. Do you really have to leave? What am I? Mama Harry is I'll see you next time when it's my week to fetch you from school. And my parents wanted to take Pizzy to school, but being Maggie, refused saying Kitenia high. Yeah, no arrange it. She can't even tell what the poor kid is said. Lizzie takes a pregnancy test. I think they took blood tests and it shows Guzi she is indeed pregnant. And then Dr. Hlongwane is happy for her, saying congratulations, and says this time around it's one baby. So Lizzie is excited, which is going to be a mother, and says that she wants to take a scan and be sure so that she can tell or show Uzamagutle when he returns from his work trip from Namibia. And Uzamo ngale, he's busy. Tibos, he's worried that he thinks he saw Braboiki in one of the boardrooms. But Tibos like, no man, there's no Braboiki here. Let's just enjoy the trip, private jet and all. And then this guy returns, this guy telling them that he's got properties there. Now they're shocked because Muswara, it means we are rich man. It means we're serious. And then Tibos receives a picture, this guy with Braboiki, the one that was sent by Lieto, and is shocked. Now he's starting to question what's going on, but he doesn't say anything. Now the guy sees something is off and asks what's going on. And then Tibos Zamo gives Lizzie a phone call. Lizzie has just done the scan and has proved valid indeed because she's pregnant. And as Uzamo is busy talking to Lizzie, telling her that she's about to take off, Liz overhears Kwaito saying something about Braboiki. Now she's asking, is Braboiki there? And then Uzamo is already hanged up. Braboiki is indeed in Namibia, and Braboiki seems to be partners or friends with this butler guy, Clinton Butler. And now they're worried because what is this guy doing here? We rang the Tagomu, but no, he's also asked for a ride just like you guys, so it won't be a problem. But something is fishy lah. And then Lizzie keeps on touching her tummy, but worried ukuthi Uzamo, what if he's in trouble? What if Braboiki is gonna do something to them after this whole thingy with the tender that went wrong? And then Kat is actually the one that actually helped Lieto, saying kuti, I feel like something is off lah. Lieto did send the messages but did not get a response until some time later when Tibos responded and said that they're taking off. And Kat still thinks something is off, and then maybe they should go to the police station, but then they're like, what are they going to say? But Lorraine. And then Mickey returns. My piece is short. How you coming back with that? Tibos okay, but Tibos did not land. I'm worried. I'm thinking maybe I thought maybe he landed early and came home or went to Lieto. They found Lieto, but I want Tibos. And then Mantulu Lilies, they also came back. There's no Zamogutle. And then Putla, they go to Vasakamela. They realize that something is off. Like, where are the kids? Like, Fufanis no Yamalanje, Momoing. And then Lizzie tells them, I think I heard Zamogutle saying something about Braboik. What if Braboik is there and there's something that happened? Then they decide to make her, if Braboik is there, then it means they're in trouble. Let's go to the police station. We need to involve the police. He phones Lieto to meet them at the police station, and they decide let's just go to the police station and report, because there's no way because we're leaving this hanging. And then they go to the police station here. They're trying to explain they went on a work trip. Now Braboki is there. And Ubabeile is not even taking this thing seriously. Like as usual, investigation Ubabeile is always like a bit off. He says that, what are you saying exactly? Are you saying your sons have been kidnapped? You guys are not making sense. because vele, like, it has not even been 48 hours. They're going to bring the 48 hours rule. And then Leto pulls up a picture of this Clinton Butler with Braboyki, telling them was this the guy that they flew with. So maybe Mabeli Inka serious now. But obviously jurisdiction, because they're in a different country. And then Evelyn Limahonga, they continue ngapangapana. Then now they're fighting about this whole interviews, and Evelyn going through the Alfred saying, I will never trust you. And because Alfred is up to no good, it's like he wants them to hire someone that he wants, because already probably Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.